Yo, what's up everybody? In today's video, we're gonna take the stock 392 Hemi throttle body and be replacing it with the brand new 87mm CNC ported throttle body from Modern Muscle Extreme. So let's get off into it, guys. We're gonna take the old throttle body off the car and swap it with the new one we just got from Modern Muscle Extreme. Yo, what's up YouTube? Ryan with Hemifam back with another awesome video for you guys. In today's video, we are going to be installing the 87 CNC ported throttle body from Modern Muscle Extreme. But first, if you are new to this channel, do me a huge favor, smash that subscribe button. You're definitely not going to want to miss all the awesome videos we have in store for you. On this channel, we do installs, reviews, unboxings, how-tos, so you're definitely not going to want to miss all the awesome content we have lined up for you guys. So be sure you smash that subscribe button, turn the bell on for post notifications. That way you will never miss a future video we have for you guys. So again, a huge shout out to my buddy Bogdan and everybody else at Modern Muscle Extreme. They got us a CNC ported 87mm throttle body to put on our Scat Pack charger with the 392 Hemi. This is basically a plug and play part. You unbolt and unclip the stock one from the, the engine area, and you now have the new one, the 87mm that we got from Modern Muscle Extreme. It basically just bolts right up, plugs right in, a plug and play unit. There is no tuning needed for this particular part. Now, if you have this throttle body, compared with other performance parts, I mean, ideally you want to get the car tuned to take full advantage of the new air flow, the ratios that's coming in and out of the engine. Generally, you want to get the vehicle tuned to take advantage of, max horsepower with your new parts. But this particular part, no tuning required. It is a plug and play drop in. It is good for a little bit crispier throttle response. It is supposed to add up to 12 rear wheel horsepower, so we will keep our fingers crossed on that. Things like increased miles per gallon, which I don't really care about.
Well, obviously
right now I'm averaging about 9.5 miles per gallon in the city. Obviously on the highway, it can get up to 25, 26 on very good days. So like I said, miles per gallon isn't a big concern of mine, but I'm hoping it'll add just a little bit better throttle response, make the car crispier, and compared with the MMX off-road mid-pipes, mid-muffler delete, etc., the AFE GT momentum intake, hopefully everything pairs up right and they go good. Now the car is not tuned yet, but so far with the pieces I have put together, the car is running really good. I have not tested the new throttle body. We're just going to do the first look and install today. So give me a few days to kind of test the car highway around the city, and we'll come back with another video as far as a review and how it worked. So again, huge shout out to MMX, my buddy Bogdan, for getting us a throttle body to do a video for all you awesome people out there. So let's get off into it, guys. We are going to take this new throttle body, put it on the car, and see what she does. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, so the very first thing you are going to want to do is remove your intake system, whether that be a stock box, the AFE, whatever you are running for the intake system. Go ahead and remove that now and just set that aside, because obviously we will be installing that later. We already have removed the throttle body, the stock one, so that is good to go. Now we are waiting for the 87mm throttle body from MMX. It should be here any minute now via UPS overnight, and then we will be installing that bad boy right back where the stock one went. Now, one thing that you are going to want to do before you start this is disconnect the battery cable in the rear of the vehicle. That is always a must, especially when you're working on components of the engine. Let me show you this is the stock throttle body here that we just removed. So you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like. There are 4 bolts here and a clip. You pop off the clip, remove the 4 bolts, and it just pops right off, guys. It's that simple. Now when the new one comes in, should bolt right up. Plug it back in, install your intake system, plug in or put the terminal back on the battery cable, and you guys are good to go as far as the install and firing your car back up here. So just about a few more minutes longer until UPS shows up, and then we can get the MMX 87mm throttle body installed on the car, guys.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so UPS just left. Let's see what we got in here. Here is the body. We've got an awesome MMX shirt. Oh wow, this is like a metal pin, and loads and loads of horsepower in this box. I mean, I count like maybe 300 horses with all these decals. So they are shipping horsepower in boxes, guys. But let's pull out the body here so you guys can see what you get. Take it out the bag here. So this is the MMX 87mm CNC ported throttle body.
Nice.
And it looks really good, guys. I am super pleased to get this on the car. Super pleased to, you know, represent MMX, Modern Muscle Extreme. They are pretty much leaders in getting your modern Hemi to go super fast down the track or in Mexico, guys. So again, I really can't thank my buddy Bogdan enough for, you know, the overnight parts from MMX. And I'm in California, and this came all the way from, I forget, but it's all the way on the East Coast, guys. So super fast shipping from MMX, and everything has already been prepared. So let's go ahead and get that throttle body on this car here and see how she does. All right, guys, what did you think of the new throttle body we just got? You know, it's not one of those right off the bat, the parts that you can tell makes a huge difference. But I mean, the install was very, very easy. Bolts right up, clips right in, no check engine lights. Everything is running and looking good so far. So I really cannot wait to fully test the car, go do some wide open throttle runs, you know, cruise it around town, take a trip to Mexico maybe, and see exactly how it does with the new and improved airflow coming in and, you know, everything we got exhaust wise going out. So again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, if it helped you in any way, be sure to give us a huge thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And after you subscribe, click the bell and turn on post notifications. That way you'll never miss a video as they go live. And we are inching up to 10K subscribers, guys. Once we hit that 10K, we are doing a really, really big giveaway right now. I know one of the grand prizes is going to be a active exhaust fix kit from MFR1. So that and probably 2 or 3 other items we are going to be adding to the giveaway. So like I said, you are not going to want to miss it, guys. That video is going to be coming up very soon once we reach our 10K goal. So again, be sure you subscribe to the channel and stick around, guys. You are definitely not going to want to miss all the awesome videos we have in store lined up for you guys. So again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. This has been the 87mm CNC ported throttle body install on my 2015 Scat Pack Charger. And a huge thank you to everybody at Modern Muscle Extreme. As you can see, I got my MMX shirt that they sent me. I have a box full of horsepower, lots of decals. So again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, we will see you in the next one. Peace.